everybody, it's Lavender, and today I have an awesome tutorial for you. I'm transferring myself into Applejack for my Little Pony. Okay, I absolutely love Applejack. I think it's so cute how she and her family run like an apple farm, and they make apple cider, and it's really cute. I do a bunch of cosplays like this on my channel, so subscribe so you don't miss any of those. And if you want to see me transform into other ponies to My Little Pony, leave an apple emoji in the comments down below. One of my favorite channels is Data Daily. She does that on her channel. It's really cute. So yeah, so leave an apple emoji, for Applejack. Okay, so let's get started into the video now. Okay, so I'm going to transfer myself into Applejack for My Little Pony. So first thing I need to do is make myself orange, because Applejack is orange. And I'm going to use my face paint palette. I just got this palette. This is absolutely gorgeous. The colors are just so vibrant and amazing. This was sent to me by Arteza. I have the link down below if you want to check them out. They have a bunch of art supply like pens and markers and paint. So check out the link down below. To get Applejack's creamy orange color, I'm going to grab the orange and the white. I'm going to mix them together. This is water activated face paint, so you want to use water to activate it. Okay, so I'm just applying it all over. I'm applying it in sections. That helps the face paint go on more evenly. And this face paint just goes on so smooth and full coverage. It's really nice and vibrant. Okay, and don't forget the neck. Okay, so my face is nice, pretty orange. And now I'm going to paint my eyebrows orange. Taking that orange face paint. Oh, that's the wrong end of the brush. Okay, there we go. Taking the brush that the set came with. And going to paint those eyebrows orange. So Applejack has some big eyelashes, so I'm applying some mascara. And starting from the base and wiggling on up. Okay, then Applejack has some eyeliner. So taking my eyeliner, applying some on. I like to use liquid eyeliner. That's my favorite. So Applejack's all about apples. She has some apples on her body, so I'm going to put some on my cheek. I'm going to use the red from the Arteza palette for the apples. Okay, now I'm going to try my best to paint some apples. Okay, so it's like 2 circles. So I'm going to do like 1 circle like right here. And then another one right here. Okay, for the leaves, I'm grabbing the green on the Arteza palette and drawing like a V shape. Like that. Now we have an apple. Okay, so now I'm going to do 2 others on the bottom. I'm drawing these just like how I drew the other one. These apples are super easy and super cute. Okay, so I'm done with the apples. They look pretty cute. And last thing, before we put on the wig, Applejack has 3 white dots on her cheeks. So I'm grabbing a Q-tip, going back with my white face paint. Okay, and then I'm going to make 3 white dots up here. And then to the other side as well, right here. And then that's it. Okay, now I'm fully done with the makeup, and I'm going to put on the wig and the hat. Can't forget her hat. Okay, I really hope you like this video, and I absolutely love using this palette in this video. Check out Arteza down below. I have the link down for them, and I'm absolutely in love with this palette. I'm going to be using this in so many of my future videos. They were very nice to sponsor this video, and I think they're absolutely amazing. The quality of this palette was impeccable, and the prices are really affordable. So check them out on the link down below. So I'll see y'all next time, and have a blooming day. Hey, I really hope you like this video. Click on my face right there, subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a big like. Okay, bye.